In today's video, I'll continue work on the 61 Dodge Dart Phoenix. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects. Today, I'm going to show you a video on how I got my motor for my car, not my new car, but for my 61 Dodge Dart. I'm going to show you the video where it starts off where I'm in Riverside with my brother-in-law. We're going to go pick it up in Ontario, and then we're going to drive it all the way to my house, unload it, and then I will show you the motor and everything like that, and we'll go through it. So, with that, let's get to work. Alright, I'm on my way right now to Ontario. I'm in Riverside right now with my brother-in-law, Steve. Say hi, Steve.
Hi, guys.
There we go. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this on the truck and you'll get to see what we're going to see. Picked it up. Now we're on our way to Oxnard. So hopefully we'll make it there in a couple hours. Stay back there. But yeah, I film putting it in there because usually people don't want to be filmed doing that stuff. So let's get on the road. didn't come loose, didn't fall out of the truck. Everything was perfect. Right now I'm going to go ahead and set up the hoist, the engine hoist. We're going to take it out, and then maybe I'll show you I'll show you the motor when it's all out.
I think it's good, dude. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere.
No, I don't think that. Yeah, I don't think this will give up, but never. All right. Let's see. All right. Here's the motor that I picked up in Ontario, by Riverside there. It's been a few days since I got it, unloaded it off the truck and everything. I haven't had a chance to really look at it, and that's where things didn't go so well. Let me show you. I took off the carb. Of course, it's in the garage, but it was advertised on Craigslist as a 440. Well, it's not a 440. It's a 413. I didn't even know they made 413s up in the 70s. I thought they stopped making those in the 60s. In like the mid-60s or something like that. Well, not for motorhomes. They made them up for motorhomes and industrial. So I'm pretty bummed about that. The guy sold it to me. I'm pretty sure he didn't know. The only way I could tell is because there's a pad right there that I cleaned off. It wasn't cleaned off when I got it, so he didn't know. And it says, I don't think I can get it good enough for you guys to read the 413 on there. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think he knew what it was when he sold it to me. Like I said, he didn't have any Dodges or anything like that there. He had all Chevys and stuff. So I think he just bought the motorhome, got it running, drove it around some to make sure it runs and everything. And I saw it running, a video of it running and everything like that. So, and it comes with the transmission. The one good thing about it is the transmissions are very stout. They're for just very, very stout, very heavy duty. Comes with the rear brake like mine did, but you can buy new tail shafts. You can take it off there and put a regular tail shaft on there, which I'll probably do. So I don't need that. I'm not going to use that. But as you go, let me see. It's pretty clean in there. I didn't take it off yet, but it I'm pretty sure it looks a lot better than my last one. Let's see if I can get it really close. But yeah, another telltale that I did not notice is this huge water pump. I thought just they all had water pumps like that on motorhomes, Well, on this one, you see the water outlets go into the heads. 440 it doesn't. I had no idea. I thought all motorhomes were like 440s for the big blocks, for 440s and 360s, but apparently not. I don't know. To say the least, I was pretty bummed, you could say, that I found out that. Like I said, I don't think it was the guy's fault. I don't think he did it on purpose. And so I'm going through thinking, what am I going to do? Am I going to keep it? Am I going to sell it? Well, I think I'm going to keep it. It'd have a lot of low-end torque. I'll probably be able to tow a house with it. But we'll see. I think I'm going to try to keep it and see if I can make it work. If not, I'll put it up for sale. The bad thing is, these are not as worth as much as the 440 is. So, but yeah, that's my dilemma. I'll make it work somehow. Some mistakes were made on my part, especially my part. Actually, probably all of my part. I believe the Craigslist ad. Probably should never do that. Or I have to do more research before I do this stuff. We were there. We were in a hurry. I was with my family. I'm not gonna blame them, but everything was just happening, and I really wanted to get a motor. I've been waiting and looking, and I thought this was it. But I'll have to make it work. One way or another, I'll make it work. It's just the way it is. Will I make mistakes like this again? Yes, I will. I have no doubt. But at least you guys get to follow me and watch me make them. So check out a new video next week. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, Dad Life Projects. Or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. Since you're here, check out these two videos right here. Hit that subscribe button down below. And remember, any project you do, you are the project manager. Thank you.